watching the DNC Adventure Show from Caleb and Daniel and Roden.
Go.
Today we're going to show you how to make a wooden stick sword. First, we're going to find the sticks. And there's short sticks and long sticks, and we need twine from hay bales. So let's go find that stuff. Hey Caleb, this could be, mine will be a metal one.
Oh, we're not going to use the metal rod, buddy.
This could, Caleb, look, this could be the god.
So you need a long stick now?
Hold this. Because you already have
Hi, Chef.
I found my big one.
All right.
Nice.
What's the next step?
Listen, I got a honeycomb. So now I just have to find twine. So this is our twine. No, that one is my time. Fine, this one is my time. So look, I have a pocket knife, and we are gonna cut this twine in half. Ready to see how we do it? So this is my Gerber. No! And my thing. So it's pretty hard to, I just discovered that it's hard to use a knife to cut. And then that's it. We cut our twine. Then we close up the Gerber.
Caleb, do you need help?
I need help getting the gun. We have collected our pieces. Number 1, long stick. Number 2, short stick for the god. Number 3, twine. And number 4, tying the knot. So let's do it.
Where are you going?
So that's my half knot.
I think you lost your partner in crime. You lost the seed to your DNC.
So this is how a sword looks when it's tied. My hand thing. It's kind of tricky to tie. Now, my mom did the first knot. I'll do the second one.
Well, now you're just doing what are you doing now?
Crisscross. How do you crisscross?
Yep, pull it tight.
Apple. Loaded.
Now go the other way here.
I don't know how to do my sit that I'm looking for.
Okay, now you gotta take it up and over this way. You gotta go this way. And keep doing that. Different ways. Go under and over that way and back that way. Nice and tight. Pull it nice and tight.
So the knot is getting tighter.
Yep, now go that way.
And tie it for finish.
I'll help you with that part. What are you doing? What are you eating?
Persimmon.
What's happening with your sword?
So making.
Say it.
This is the finished sword. It's not like actually finished. We still have to use a saw to like cut it. And then we have to use my pocket knife to sharpen the ends. And then we're finished. This is my goal again. You're doing the finish of the sword. The sharpen. I have to get up there quick. See how it's gotten really thin? That means it's getting close to finish. I did not expect that to happen.
Oh, is it hollow on the inside? It's a honeysuckle branch, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is how it looks when it's finished.
Can you say it louder?
Thanks for watching Dancy and Betsy's. And let's fight! No, let's fight! Comment below if you want to see a sword holder come to DNC. Comment below.